Hello, is this thing on? Oh my gosh, you guys. What is she doing? What the heck am I doing? I am on the camera being very vulnerable right now. No makeup, and yeah, I've got this superhero mask on my face. It gives me superpowers. I just haven't figured out what yet. Today's show is sponsored by Silicone face patches. These are silicone patches. The instructions was to wear them on a clean, hydrated face without makeup. I apologize to Oya. They probably thought they were getting a supermodel. I'm having a bit of an allergy breakout, not from the patches. You can see these little red spots. I'm really sorry. We'll continue the video with the transformation so that I can get acceptable looking for my next video. So what I'm going to do is leave these on for an hour. I did try to wear them overnight, but somehow my whole hand had done this because they were all on my hand when I woke up. There's also 2 more patches, one on the neck and one on the décolleté. I could probably go to Costco like this, put on my supermom cape and, you know, my superhero mask. Maybe no one will say anything, but I'm going to keep these on for an hour and then do my makeup transformation. That was the instructions, so I will be right back.
1 hour later.
So let me tell you about the patches. It comes with these sheets so that I can peel them off. I'm actually supposed to rinse them, but for the sake of time in the video, I'll just pop them right here and you reuse them. What I really like about this and why I agreed to try the product. Now, first of all, I know a few years ago, there was a big backlash in the beauty community about product reviews not being authentic. I'm so grateful for Oya for reaching out to me. They're my first sponsorship. And when they asked me if I wanted to review this anti-aging skincare, I thought, let me think about it. Yes, because I'm in my 40s. I just had my first Botox done earlier in the year on my forehead. So anything that's going to help slow down those hands of time, I'm all in. I was really excited about these because there's actually no product on them. It's straight up silicone. These are actually used for helping to heal scars. The patches form a microclimate. Once applied between the patch and the skin, the microclimate seals in moisture to better hydrate your skin, compresses the skin to stimulate hydration. That feels nice. It does feel compressed. It feels like something is stretching your skin. It actually feels quite relaxing. It's unlike those paper sheet masks that are filled with product. I love those too, but you can't really move around in those. It stimulates hydration and modulates and normalizes collagen production. Yay! Do you know that age 30, we start losing collagen very quickly? The collagen is what keeps your skin plump. So I am all for it. So let's take the rest off. I don't experiment with a lot of product. I think there's a lot of skincare that's being pushed that is actually damaging to your skin and can really overdo it. So I like the fact that there is no product or fragrance in this, that I feel safe to try it. And what it is doing is it does feel nice and like it's compressing your skin. Okay, look at that. Whatever little lines, I feel like right now it's very hydrated. Now with any skin product, you're starting a new regimen, you should not ever expect overnight results. It does take a while, 15 uses, it will take 2 weeks. I'll do a follow-up on that. But for something so simple, this can definitely be incorporated into my skincare routine. Either putting them on at night and hoping that I don't pull them off, or as soon as you wake up, wash your face. I can easily put the patch on my forehead and under my eyes just to get those places hydrated. Those are what I feel are the most problem areas for me. But then again, don't neglect your neck. So many people neglect their neck and their décolleté, especially when it comes to sunblock, exfoliation, skincare, moisturizer. So I'm gonna put these on a sheet. This one, honestly, I want to keep this one on all day. So I'm just going to leave that there until I'm done with my makeup. The link to the patches and the link to purchase is in the description. So be sure to check that out. Like I said, this is a product that it certainly won't harm your skin. So doing anything for anti-aging is always a good thing. So you have these 2 pieces here. I still have one on. And we're just gonna pop that back into the envelope. So convenient. So we will reuse that. I'm going to keep using it. Now I'm going to do my transformation, and I'm going to have to give you an update on after I use them for a couple weeks, so you'll see this again in another video. Thank you so much, Oya. Let's get on with the transformation. I put a little eye cream under and over my lid. It keeps things nice and hydrated, and it helps the concealer to set in better underneath. Concealer has been my best friend lately. Let's get rid of these red spots. I've got some little volcanoes too, so before I started the film, I added some salicylic acid and I put a steroid cream to calm down some of those red spots. First thing I'm gonna do, color correction. Then I'm going to use my palette. Then I'm also going to put a spot of orange and some yellow. It's basically my art palette, a concealer in my color. This is what I'm using today. It's a little advanced for the everyday woman. If you guys didn't know, I'm a makeup artist. So this is what I do exactly when I'm working on somebody. These are color correctors. You can actually find this in my website. I have them private labeled. And how these work, they have light deflecting pigments. Don't be scared of the green. You're not going to end up looking like a Felba. The green neutralizes red. Now I'm going to use the orange. The orange neutralizes blue and darker spots. You might have seen Kim Kardashian did this tutorial where she put orange under her eyes, except that her whole video was filtered. How do you do a makeup video with a filter? So I'm just showing you, this is raw. So I'm going to use the yellow to combine, and that way we'll end up with a peachy tone. I make sure to brighten under my eyes, especially the tops of my cheekbones is where I get those freckles and sunspot. You know, if you're Asian, where they just kind of show up, it's inevitable. I'm kind of combining the colors to blend in. You see how we're getting that peachy tone under the eye, and what it's doing, and one of you guys can see it, that it's actually brightening by catching the light instead of covering. Instagrammers and YouTuber makeup artists, I see, you don't see like the radiance of the skin coming through. So that's why when I'm working on people, this technique is so important. When you're on camera, I've done makeup for television, headshots, photos, everything. Like every makeup I do, the person is going to be photographed. The lens fix on everything. So your skin has to show through. If you look like you're plastered, it is going to show. The foundation I'm using today is Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. It is very sheer. I'm just going to stab, that's like half a pump, and I'll start with one side of my face and sweep outward. The product sits right on top of the bristles so that they're distributed evenly and doesn't absorb into the brush. When you put your foundation on, it pretty much flattens the surface. So now we're going to bring warmth and dimension back in. This is what I call my Bible. It's my Smashbox cream palette. This was like a, I don't know, holiday special from like 2015. It has contour, bronze, and highlight, your color correctors, and then highlighters here. So I'm gonna take one of those highlighters and highlight the tops of my cheekbones. The part I use most here is the contour cream, which is going to go under my cheekbones. I like to use my finger just to keep the product warm. You can use a brush if it's your preference. Difference between the contour and a bronzer. Contour has a cool tone, so you can see, whereas a bronzer has a warm tone. Contour I don't do every day, but I do for camera. Now I'm contouring my jawline right here because you can see over the ears, the skin on your jaw gets a little saggy. So we're gonna slim it just right here, and you might wanna move down on your neck. Under the cheeks, I am working right under my cheekbone, and I can feel that. So you're gonna go from your ear and move inward toward your nose. But what you're not going to do is go all the way down to your mouth. That is paint by numbers. You can see how that just gives me a lift. I'm going to use a bit of the bronzer cream and go above the contour, fill that part of my cheek, and you see how adding just a little warmth there, it is still lifting your face upward. For camera, I do slim the nose just a bit down each side. You see what that does? It's so subtle. I'm not trying to change the shape of my nose. I'm just giving myself a bridge, because otherwise the flash hits my nose and my nose will actually look wider in photos. All right, let's use my favorite highlighter, my Benefit Watts Up. I did a little highlight cream, but let's do a little more. More is more. And I'm also going to hit underneath the arches of my brow, right in the bottom part of my forehead. my Cupid's bow. Last part of my perfect skin is my cheek cream. It looks bright here, bright like my robe, but look how it comes on. It's just very sheer, and you need that pinch of color. Gives you some life. All right, see, natural, right? This is the natural look. So many people bring up pictures from Pinterest or of even Kim Kardashian, and they're like, I want to look natural like this. That's a filter with a ton of makeup. If you want to look natural, like you woke up like this, do these steps this way. Let's go for the eyebrow. I found this pencil recently. It's NYX Fill and Fluff. It's a pomade pencil, so it's a little thicker than normal. And then it's got this brush to fluff up the hair of your brows. So important, especially if you have straight Asian brows like mine that want to go down. This actually fluffs them so they stay upward, nice and full. Now, remember, your brows are sisters, not twins. Keep your concealer brush handy so that if you need to just kind of smooth around the edges, you can do that easily with your concealer brush. I think that's good enough. This will give the eyeshadow something to stick to. I do a lot of multitasking my makeup too. If you're at the makeup counter, they're gonna tell you, oh, you need an eye cream, you need a concealer, you need a highlighter, you need a primer, and all kinds of things, but there are a lot of things that can be multitasked. I use my concealer on my eyelids because you just need that sticky consistency to get your eyeshadow to stick to your lids. Do you see there's a bronzer and a blush? So I'm gonna start with some bronzer. Lift my brows, and then find the crease, which is your orbital bone. And you see how my brush just fits right in there and we go back and forth? That is your crease. And that is where usually a contour powder goes. Now I'm going to highlight it with the blush and put a little pink in the corners of the crease. Alrighty, now let me examine. I'm actually quite happy with how smooth I am under the eyes thanks to the silicone patches. I'm just gonna do a very light, simple pen liner. Just accentuate your lash line with a simple eyeliner. If I'm in my bathroom, I'm going to heat up my eyelash curler with my hair dryer just for like 20 seconds to warm it up so that you're applying some heat to your lashes. Just make sure it's not too hot. Test it on your hand before you bring a hot tool to your eye. And now watch what I do too, is that I tilt the curler up slowly, so that you get a C curl instead of an L. Okay, let's go for cheap mascara, L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and this particular one is waterproof. If you have stick straight eyelashes, waterproof is going to do the best in holding the curl. This is Julep Cajal Eye Glider in brown shimmer and black. It's double-sided. So I'm gonna use the brown shimmer on the bottom waterline. This gives my eyes some good definition, and then I might want to use that brown shimmer also, lift up the lash line and go right underneath the waterline. Open up your eyes. It's called tight lining. Now, last part of the eyeshadow, if I want to make it a little more dramatic, I'm using a dense pointy brush. This is synthetic bristles, and what this does, it just picks up the product very gently. You don't have to do this. You don't have to scrub for your product. Just tap, and then tap it to your eyelid, and you see how nicely that glides on. Created these brushes so that I can teach people how to do their makeup this easily. And look at this, no fallout. Do you know what fallout is? It's when it ends up down here. You know why? I'm pressing the product into my eyelid, and the brush bristles are so tight that it's not actually going to let go of any of the pigment unless you press it to your eye. So a lot of people make the mistake of they take a fluffy brush and that dark color, and then they're like this, like they're sweeping the floor. That will fly all over the place. I'm gonna go back to my domed brush. Okay, I also have pink eyeshadows, same as my blush. It's exactly the same. Multitask. Now, without blending into the dark shadow that we just did, I'm just gonna go back into my crease and then sweep back and forth. So the edge of the brush is we're just going to sweep, adding a little more color to my crease. And we're just gonna sweep. That way the pink and the black will just naturally blend together. You don't have to do it on your own. Let the tools do the work. Alrighty, last thing. I have this flatter brush too. We're going to use this color. It's called Pearl. It's pearlized, it's exactly what it is. Take that color. We're gonna sweep on the inside corners of the eye, right underneath the arch. That on the top of your cheekbones for a little extra light catching action, a little extra highlight. I tend to use this neutral color because it looks good on camera. This one is called Vintage Rose. It's very similar to the color Teddy. It's kind of like a neutral suede type of color. Neutral warm, neutral's key because you can actually do a lot of eyeshadow colors. This color looks good when I'm just wearing dark blue or black and I'm shooting my video, I've noticed. So it's kind of my go-to lately. That's it, so simple, right? The last thing I'm going to do, just a little translucent powder. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. You just need a tiny bit. What this does, gives you a blur. Now, if you're in your 40s, if you have some lines and some things that were not there in your 20s, using too much powder can actually accentuate. So can you see how light I'm moving just to give any fine lines and pores a blur, take out a little bit of the shine. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do want more transformation videos from me, let me know in the comment. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, thank you to my sponsor, Oya Patches, and you can find the link to purchase those in the description. Thanks so much for joining. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Leave me a positive comment. My name is Michelle. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye.